Hello everyone. In this video we will do chapter number 9, algebraic expressions and identities. Exercise 9.3, question number 1. Carry out the multiplication of the expressions in each of the following pairs. In the exercise we are to do the product of monomials by binomials, monomials by trinomials. And here the first part is given 4p q plus r, as here 4p is monomial into q plus r, that is a binomial. Now as we know that when we are having any kind of brackets, firstly we are to do the simplification of bracket, that is the term outside the bracket is to be multiplied by all the terms in the bracket. So we can say that 4p firstly will be multiplied by q and 4p multiplied by r. So here 4p multiplied by q is 4pq plus 4p multiplied by r is 4pr. So 4pq plus 4pr is answer. Second part is a plus b. Here again we will do the same thing, that is firstly we will multiply ab by a and then ab by b. ab is monomial here and a minus b is binomial here. So ab multiplied by a is a square, b minus a b square. ab multiplied by b is ab square. So a square b minus a b square is the answer. Next part is a plus b, 7a square b square. That is here 7a square b square is the monomial, that is 7a square b square. I'll keep it outside the bracket and write down the binomial in the brackets. So now we will multiply 7a square b square to a, that is it will be 7a cube b square, then plus 7a square b square multiplied by b, that is 7a square b cube. This is the answer. Next part is a square minus 9, 4a. Now again 4a into a square minus 9. Now firstly we will multiply 4a by a and the answer is 4a cube minus 4a multiplied by 9 is 4 9s the 36, 36a. 4a cube minus 36a is the answer. Next is pq plus qr plus rp and 0. So it is 0 into pq plus qr plus rp. As this expression contains 3 terms, so it is trinomial. 0 multiplied by any term is always 0. So the answer here is 0. Question number 2. Complete the table. In this table there are 2 expressions for which we are to do the multiplication, that is we are to find out the product of the given expressions. Here first expression is a and the second expression is b plus c plus d, that is we are to do the product of a monomial by a trinomial. So I can just write it as a into b plus c plus d. That is firstly we have to multiply a by b, then a by c and then a by d. One by one we will multiply this a to all the terms contained in the second expression. So when a multiplied by b, it will be ab, a multiplied by c is ac and a multiplied by d is a. D is the answer. Second part is first expression is x plus y minus 5 and the second expression is 5xy. So it means we are to multiply 5xy by x, y and minus 5. So when 5xy multiplied by x, it is 5x square y. So here it is 5x square y, then 5xy multiplied by y. And here as the sign is plus, so I will put plus here. 5xy multiplied by y will be 5xy square. Then the sign is negative, so minus 5 5s the 25 25xy. 5 multiplied by 5xy is minus 25xy. Next one is, the first expression is p and the second expression is 6p square minus 7p plus 5. So here we are to do the product as in the same manner we have done in the verb parts. That is, firstly we will multiply p by 6p square, then p by 7p, and then p by 5. When you will multiply p by 6p square, then it becomes 6p cube, and then p multiplied by minus 7p, so minus 7p square. Now p multiplied by 5 is plus 5p, so which is the required answer. Next part is 4p square q square, and the second expression is p square minus q square. Now we are to multiply 4p square q square by p square, and 4p square q square multiplied by p square. So it will become 4p raised to power 4 q square, then minus 4p square q square multiplied by q square. Now it will become minus 4p square into q raised to power 4, which is the answer. Next part is a plus b plus c, and the second expression is abc. Now here we are to multiply this abc by a, b and c one by one. When you will multiply abc by a, it will become a square bc plus abc multiplied by b, it will become ab square c. Then abc multiplied by c, it will abc square. This is the answer. Question number 3 is, find the product. First part is a square multiplied by 2a raised to power 22 multiplied by 4a raised to power 26. Now here all are monomials. Firstly we will do the product of constant numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Here a raised to power 2, a raised to power 22, a raised to power 26. As we know that by exponents, if the numbers having the same base, their powers will be added. So it will be a raised to power 2 plus 22, 24, 24 plus 26 is 50. So the answer is 8a raised to power 50. Next part is 2 by 3 xy into minus 9 by 10 x square y square. So I'll just open the brackets, 2 by 3 xy multiplied by minus 9 by 10 x square y square. Now when we will simplify these terms, there will be cancellation of terms. 2 ones the 2, 2 fives the 10, 3 ones the 3, 3 threes the 9. So it is minus 3 by 5. X multiplied by x square is x raised to power 3. Y multiplied by y square is y cube. So minus 3 by 5 x cube y cube is the answer. Next is minus 10 by 3 p q cube multiplied by 6 by 5 p cube q. Now open the brackets, minus 10 by 3 p q cube multiplied by 6 by 5 p cube q. Now do the simplifications. 5 ones the 5, 5 twos the 10, 3 ones the 3, 3 twos the 6. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, and here as there is a negative sign, so minus 4. P multiplied by p cube will become p raised to power 4, and q cube multiplied by q becomes q raised to power 4. So minus 4 p raised to power 4 q raised to power 4 is the answer. Next is x multiplied by x square multiplied by x cube multiplied by x raised to power 4. So as all are having the same basis, their powers will be simply added. Here the power of x is 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. So x raised to power 10 is the answer. Question number 4 is, simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 by 2. Now as it is given in the question, firstly we are to simplify this expression. So it can be written as 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. Firstly, we will solve the bracket, that is 3x multiplied by 4x is 12x square, minus 3x multiplied by 5 is 5 3 is the 15x, plus 3 remains same. Now we have to also find out the value of this expression at x is equal to 3. So first part is put x is equal to 3. We will put this value in this expression, that is 12 into 3 raised to power 2 minus 15 multiplied by 3 plus 3. 3 3 is the 9 and 12 multiplied by 9 is 108. 15 3 is the 45 plus 3. Now 108 plus 3 is 111. 111 minus 44 is 66. Second part is to find out the value of this expression for x is equal to 1 by 2. So again I'll put the value of x equal to 1 by 2 in this expression, that is 12 multiplied by 1 by 2 square minus 15 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 3, which is equal to 12 multiplied by 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Now 4 3 is the 12, so it is 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 minus 15 by 2. We can write it as 6 upon 1, which is further equal to, by taking the LCM of this term, this is equal to 2. 6 ones the 6, 2 ones the 2, 6 2s the 12. 12 minus 15. So which is further equal to 12 minus 15, that is minus 3 by 2 is the answer of this expression for x is equal to 1 by 2. B part is simplify a into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5 and find its value for a is equal to 0, a is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus 1. Now firstly we will simplify the function, that is simplify the expression a into a square plus a plus 1 plus 5. Here a multiplied by a square is a cube, a multiplied by a is a square, a multiplied by 1 is a, plus 5 remains same. Now we will find the value of this for a is equal to 0. So first part, put a is equal to 0. Here cube of 0 plus square of 0 plus 0 plus 5. Here all these terms become 0, so 0 plus 5 is 5, which is the answer. Second part is put a is equal to 1. So now 1 cube plus square of 1 plus 1 plus 5. Cube of 1 is 1, square of 1 is 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 is the answer. Next is third part. That is put a is equal to minus 1. So that is cube of minus 1 plus square of minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 5. So cube of minus 1 is minus 1. Square of minus 1 is plus 1. Plus minus minus 1 plus 5. Here this minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel each other. So 5 minus 1 is 4, which is the required answer. Question number 5. Add p into p minus q, q into q minus r and r into r minus p. Firstly, we will simplify all the brackets, that is p into p minus q. P multiplied by p is p square minus p multiplied by q is pq. Now q into q minus r, that is q multiplied by q is q square minus q multiplied by minus qr. Now r into r minus p is r multiplied by r is r square minus r multiplied by p is rp. Firstly, we have solved all the terms by opening the brackets. Now we got the simplified terms. We will add these. Now here I'll arrange these terms according to the like terms. Here p square minus pq. The second one is q square minus qr. As there is no like term, so I'll just write these terms aside. Next is r square minus rp. Now again there is no like term, so again I'll write these terms aside. Now simply we will have the answer p square minus pq plus q square minus qr plus r square minus rp. As there was no like term, so this is the required answer. Second part is add 2x into z minus x minus y and 2y into z minus y minus x. Now firstly we will solve the brackets, that is we will find the product of 2x into z minus x minus y, that is 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. 2xz multiplied by z is 2xz. 2x multiplied by x is minus 2x square. 2x multiplied by y is minus 2xy. Now do the product of 2y into z minus y minus x. Now again 2y multiplied by z is 2yz minus 2y multiplied by y is 2y square minus 2y multiplied by x is 2xy. Now we will do the simplification of these terms. Firstly I write down this expression 2xz minus 2x square minus 2xy. Now I'll write these terms according to the like terms. This is 2yz. So I'll just arrange these terms as there is no like term of 2yz. So I'll just write aside. Similarly, no term like term of minus 2y square, so we will write it here. And this is minus 2xy. Here also we are having 2xy. So I'll just write downward to this term. Now we will add these terms 2xz as it is. Next is minus 2x square minus minus plus minus 4xy plus 2yz minus 2y square. So this is the answer. Next is subtract 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n. So firstly we will do the simplification of this term. We are to subtract this term from 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Firstly do the simplification of 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n. So here it is 3l square minus 3l multiplied by 4 is 3 4s the 12, 12lm plus 5 3s the 15 ln. So it is 3l square minus 12lm plus 15ln. Now do the simplification of 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. 10 4s the 40, 40 ln minus 4 3s the 12 lm, 4 2s the 8 plus 8l square. Now as we are to do the subtraction of this term from this term, so firstly we will write the second expression, that is 40ln minus 12lm plus 8l square. Now we will arrange these terms according to this expression. Plus 3l square minus 12lm plus 15ln. Now as we are to do the subtraction, so we will change the sign of all these terms. That is 15ln becomes negative, 12lm becomes positive, and this 3ln square become negative. Now 40 minus 15 is 25 ln minus 12lm plus 12lm. Cancel each other. 8 minus 3 is plus 5 L square. So this is the answer, 25 ln plus 5L square. Next part is subtract 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c from 4c into minus a plus b plus c. Firstly, we will do the simplification of this whole term. That is 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b plus c. Now do the product of 3a by a plus b plus c. 3a multiplied by a is 3a square plus 3ab plus 3ac minus 2ab minus minus plus 2b square minus 2bc. Now arrange the like terms. 3a square remains as it is plus 3ab minus 2ab. So plus ab. 1ab can be written as ab plus 3ac plus 2b square minus 2bc. So now we will simplify this term. 4c into minus a plus b plus c. 4c multiplied by minus a is minus 4ac. 4c multiplied by b is plus 4bc. 4c multiplied by c is 4c square. Now as we are to subtract this term from 4c into a minus a plus b plus c, this is the simplified form of this. So firstly we will write minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square. Now arrange the like terms of this expression. That is 3a square is not here, so I'll write aside plus ab plus 3ac. Here the term of ac is there, so I'll just write here 3ac plus 2b square minus 2bc. I have just arranged the like terms. Now as we are to do the subtraction, so we will change the sign of all these terms. 3ac minus 2bc plus minus 3a square minus ab minus 2b square. Now minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7ac plus 4 plus 2 is plus 6bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus ab minus 2b square. So the answer is minus 7ac plus 6bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus ab minus 2b square. So students, this is all about exercise 9.3. Thank you.